If you're gonna buy an outdoor watch, you definitely want to see it outside. This is the new Garmin Instinct Solar. For one reason or another, I bought the Twilight with Solstice, and you can see right there, the orange is really bright. I wish it was a darker orange, like the metallic highlight around the bezel. Another interesting feature that I just learned earlier today is that the Instinct is unique because it has that larger bezel and the screen is recessed, which ends up protecting the screen more, which is really nice. Apple Watches and many Galaxy Watches don't have that lip on the bezel to protect the screen. And this is the other one I've been testing, the Instinct AMOLED, also version 3. Indoors, sometimes the text can be a little blurry if you're using the wrong camera. And then back to the Instinct 3. Recovery is sometimes off. Here they are side by side. And here they are in a little bit of light by the window. And the AMOLED, of course, has night shift. There's the green font. Direct sunlight, the Instinct 3 Solar, brilliant. And then there's the green night shade. And what a text message looks like with bold font. And again, solar intensity. Battery life is better with the solar, of course. Back to the green font. Battery life is still great with AMOLED. And then we have some orange highlights. And then back to red with heart rate. That's the dim light. And then this is full brightness. And then let's end with the Instinct 3 Solar.